Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI for research. First, open the Perplexity app or go to the website and sign into your account. Once you're in, tap the search bar and type your research question. It can be anything from a school topic to something you're just curious about. Perplexity will search the web and give you an answer in seconds. What's really useful is that it also shows the sources it used, so you can check where the information came from. If you need more details, just ask a follow-up questions. For example, you can ask it to summarize the topic, explain it in simpler words, or create study notes. You can even use it to quickly gather information for essays, projects, presentations, or exam preparation. Just remember to double check the sources and use your own words when writing assignments. And that's basically how to use Perplexity AI for research. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.